Well, hi, I'm Heidi, international etiquette expert, and in this video, I'm going to tell you of the 5 easiest things that you can start doing today that are going to improve your etiquette, bring good energy into the world, be kind, and you're going to be happier. These things are so simple. You're going to say, well, Heidi, they're so simple. Can they really help? Well, yes, because if you start stripping away all those things in your life that are distractions, and you get your basic manners down, well, then you're going to be more confident. You're going to get yourself balanced, and you're going to feel even better about yourself. And with all of that, good things will come to you. And remember, every day's a good day to have a good day. Okay, now stick around because I'm saving my very best tip for last. Okay, enough about this intro. Let's get into it. Tip number 1, limit your screen time. Be careful how often you're on your phone. You don't want to be known as that person who's always on their phone. If you're with others, stay off your phone. If you're in a conversation, don't multitask. It's rude. And if you're out for a meal, either alone or with others, stay off your phone. Your Instagram can wait. If you're on your phone more than 2 hours outside of work, you're on your phone way too much. I know it's been said a million times before. I'm just saying it again. Tip number 2, say hello. Yes, it's okay to say hello to strangers when the occasion is right. Maybe you're waiting in a long line, or you're out hiking and you pass someone, or you're in the elevator and your neighbor walks in. Look up, say hello, strike up a convo. Psychologists have done countless studies that show having a conversation with a stranger, no matter how brief, will make you feel better. And it's even going to make the other person's day slightly better. And hey, you never know, it just could be the beginning of a real friendship or more. Tip number 3, say please and thank you. I told you these were really simple, right? But effective. Maybe you're at a restaurant talking to the server, or at a grocery store with the clerk, or a person who's just holding the door open for you, or maybe a coworker. Please and thank you are the most basics of manners that we're taught when we're children. And as we get older, sometimes we just simply forget. But in this world where we're really becoming more disconnected, it is ever more important that we make these small interactions that we do have that much more pleasant and respectful. Tip number 4, be curious. Well, how are you going to do this? Well, by listening and noticing the little things. You know, too often we get so nervous about how we're going to come off to other people that instead of listening, we are thinking, oh my gosh, what's this person thinking about me? And how should I respond? Well, no, that's wrong. Turn down that inside voice. It's telling you all the reasons why this person may or may not be enjoying your presence. And instead, make that person's words the voice you're listening to. This allows you to go with the flow, to be calmer, and it leads to a genuine connection and conversation. Tip number 5, assume the good. What does this mean, assume the good? Assume the good means that in your everyday interactions and behaviors, you imagine that the best possible outcome is possible. Practicing this attitude, it might take a little time for it to become your natural state. And I'm not saying it's going to be easy, but it's something you can start doing today. By assuming the good in yourself, in others, and in the world, you're going to start getting back in what you put out. Those are the 5 easiest ways that you can start working etiquette into your life today. Limit your screen time. Say hello to strangers. Say please and thank you. Get curious and assume the good. If you start doing these things today, you will be happier. I promise you. So I hope this helps, and if it did, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. It helps the YouTube algorithm know that you enjoyed it, so then more people can see it and enjoy it and bring everyday etiquette into their lives as well. Please drop me a comment. You have any questions whatsoever about etiquette, I am so happy to answer them. And thank you. And as I always say, please be kind. It's free.